Alright, so today in the mail, my Ascended Heroes ETB came in. This is what I got on Whatnot. It was for 40 bucks. I don't remember what it goes for in stores right now. I know it's expensive, but here's the problem. I got fucked when it came to these because I thought the Whatnot people were just doing like the ETBs, but I was wrong. But long story short, I got these two for like 50 bucks a pack. That was awful. I got screwed. I don't recommend Whatnot unless you have the money to just blow like that. But we're going to get right into it. I'm going to start this thing off. Oh, I got some cords in the way. I'm going to adjust that right quick. There we go. Perfect. So I'm going to start it off. I'm going to open one of these, see what we pull. There's only 5 cards in this. I think that's Japanese. Yeah, I don't know. I say I think it's Japanese because I swore I heard the guy say something about like, oh, it's Korean or whatnot. I could just be tripping. I don't know. But I'm excited for this. Been waiting a couple days for it. Fuck, dude. I don't even know if I need to, do that. But we will. Alright. Oh, wow. Right off the bat. Okay. Alright. 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 Not too bad. Not too bad. I like that. That's pretty cool. Go ahead. We'll sleeve that up with my Twilight Masquerade little card holder thingies. Kabobbles. I don't even know. Sleeves. Okay, yeah. I don't know why I couldn't think about that. Well, look at that. This is what we pulled. So I know that this doesn't come with energies, at least with this pack. But this is cool. Hell yeah. Fuck, dude. I don't even remember the name of that. I am familiar with this Pokemon, though. Alright, we'll put that to the side. Oh, wait, that's alright. We're going to save that one for later. We're going to go ahead and crack into this ETB. I say, well, not on camera, but I told some of my buddies that, I'm done betting, blah, blah, blah. I waited for this to come in to... Oh, burped a little bit. I waited for this to come in so I can delete the app just in case, if deleting the app while my purchase was in the middle of its thing, it was screwing up. I don't know. I don't want it to screw up and lose my money for nothing. But alright. Oh, nice. Some decoration up there. That's definitely going to fall down. My Ascended Heroes Player Guide. Damn, these are just some of the hits I can get, I guess. Damn. Wow. Yeah, it was a long day today. Even though we were sent home early at the mill today, still a pretty long day. I want to pull that fucking Mega Dragonite. That would be gnarly. Yeah, well, we'll find out. Oh, okay. We'll look through this right quick. Grass types. Wow. Dude, those are so cool. That team? Yeah, that's Team Rocket's Mewtwo EX. I like that. That's awesome. Alright. Man, this is... Wow. Oh, no way. I hope we pull something, dude. Something good. Like, I mean, this is pretty good, but that's not from my Ascended Heroes. Damn, I don't know if I should sleeve these or not. Alright, well, we're getting off topic. Put that in the back with my other top-loaded cards. Alright. That Psyduck is awesome. Mightyena? That's a, oh my. Okay. Yeah. All right. I'm done with that. All right. Let's get right into this. Maybe I should adjust that camera a little bit. Maybe move it up some more. Here. Oh. Yikes, my thing just came out for my mic. Alright, yep. We'll leave it at that. That's cool. We got some Ascended Heroes sleeves. I'll keep these in the package. I'll open them, but I'll keep them in. Just in case. I want to use some of these. Wow, that's pretty cool. Alright. Put these back in. Alright, just a little more. Alright. Should have done this better before I started filming, but it's alright. Oh, are these promos? Or a promo? Alright. I take that back one more time. One more time, 3 times later. Please. Alright. Damn, that's cool. Alright. Yeah, we gotta do something about that. Alright. Alright, that should be good. Hopefully. I keep adjusting this. I should have done that a lot better. Here. Oh. Desk moved too much, man. Alright. Alright. Yeah, now we're resuming this. Yeah. I should have just paused the video, but this is like another. Yeah. I was just doing too much adjusting right there, but I'll just include that first part in with this. But yeah, we'll go ahead and shove this nice promo into the Ascended Hero sleeve. And I need to run to my local Walmart, get some more top loaders. Alright, that'll do it. Alright, so I might open. Alright, I'll open 5 packs of Ascended Heroes, and I'll save the rest for later. Oh, that's a cool little coin. Some dice. Right on, okay. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rocking with 5. Alright, first time opening up a Ascended Heroes pack. Let's see if we pull anything good. Oh, is that damage right there? Hope that's not with the rest of them. Okay, no, we're good. We're Gucci. Alright. Erica's Bellsprout. Psychic Rotom. Tepig. Pancham. Vicavolt? I don't even know. Mimikyu. Oh, I thought that was a Master Ball for a moment. Oh, Zekrom. And Reshiram. Nice. I don't know if I want to, you know, I'm going to ask a buddy of mine, get an opinion on if I should sleeve these or not. These are badass. Nah, screw it. I'm just going to sleeve them. Oh, we got to use that Ascended Heroes. put the Ascended Heroes with the Ascended Heroes. Alright, where did it go? Alright. That's cool. And I might put them in a top loader, but I'm going to hold off for a moment. Just clean some of this off. Oh yeah, all my energies. It's gnarly. Man, I need to find a place for some of these cards, dude. I have way too many cards. I take that back. There's never too many cards. Oh, my mic has been up here. I don't know if the audio has been good or not. Probably not. I don't think anyone really heard me very well, but we'll see when I edit this shit. Our second Ascended Heroes pack. Oh, nervous, man. Oh, that's a cool fire energy. Score Bunny. Cynthia's Gibbite. Alright. Nothing good in that. Maybe that one. I don't know. Set that aside. Alright. One more Ascended Heroes. Alright. Pucciana, Ultra Ball, Numel, Dynamo, Salazazzle. I don't even know how you would say that properly. I don't think I'm ever gonna attempt that again. Proton. Oh, no way! That's badass, dude. Wow. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. I love that so much. Alright, we got two more left. Second to last one. Oh, my anxiety's rolling right now, dude. I got some crazy anxiety. Alright. Nothing really good in that. These are cool. I'm gonna find out if these are worth anything, because my buddy told me, who's more familiar with the cards with the Pokeballs, to look out for Master Balls. And I don't know if like these are your like newer good ones, or if they're just your standard, like your normal Pokeball. I'm not 100% sure. We'll find out. All right. Our last Ascended Heroes Mega Evolution pack. I pray we pull something good. I do have 4 more packs after this, but I'll be opening those and posting pictures, like a slideshow pictures of what I pull. So if you're wondering what I'll pull from this, check out my TikTok at BiggieBear15. Got a couple videos on there. And then, yeah. Oh, I don't want to damage these cards. Come on, Lord. Glass deer. Alright. Well, nothing too crazy. We did get some good cards, though. I am not disappointed so far. Hopefully, we pull some more things, but. Oh, wait. Yeah, that's right. We got one more of these. That's right. So, this is all I'm going to open on camera of my Ascended Heroes, but I'll go ahead and I'll crack this thing open. Alright, so from what I remember last time, you don't need to put the final card, the last card in the front, since it's just the 5 cards. But we'll see what we pull. Come on, $50 for nothing. I hope not. Oh, fuck yeah! That's amazing. You already know. You know, we gotta use some of these up. I've had these for a while. My goodness. Alright. You know, definitely not worth the $50 per pack and stuff like that, but if you want to do it just one time in your life, I guess it's not terrible to do. I kind of take that back. It is pretty terrible to do. I do not recommend it, but like I just said, if you want to try it just to, you know, say you've done it, that's cool. But besides from that, this is Biggie Bear 15. Go, like I said, go check out my TikTok. That's where I'll be opening up the rest of these. Well, the pictures of what I pull, if I pull anything good. Hopefully it's something. But alright, I hope you liked it. One thing I'd like to share is do not bet. Do not bet on Whatnot, TikTok. It's not worth it. Alright? Like, I mean, for this, these are pretty expensive. I do not remember what they go for in store or what people are selling them for online, but I got mine for $40 because I got lucky. And then I got screwed with 2 Japanese booster packs. It is not worth it. It fucking, my bank account was hurting. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a good one.